Folks, we are back, and today we are doing something very special. I'm a bit late to the party though, because this song has been out for quite a while, and this will be our first reaction video, basically. We thought we might try it out, and yes, as you definitely know by now, I'm a big shoegaze nerd, a big fan of black gaze as well, and obviously the goats in black gaze are back in town. Deathheaven is back with a new single. I just heard a few teasing seconds, maybe that's it. And I really wanted to keep this song for an actual reaction video. So, for those who don't know about Deafheaven, is an American black gaze band. They are considered to be the game changers in terms of black metal and everything that basically goes away from the OG black metal stuff and corpse paint and everything. They don't care about it. They just produce seriously good music. It's kind of divided. Some people really hate them. Others adore them. I'm the guy who really adores this band. Obviously, Sunbather is quite well known. And the later records like Ordinary Corrupt Human Love that came out in 2018. Also a great record. And definitely the 2021 Infinite Granite, which had a way more shoegaze approach. Less screaming, more singing. And there will be a new record out this year. Lonely People with Power comes out this year. And a new song, Magnolia, is from that record. So I'm excited to see what they're going to do. So without further ado, let's start. Really looking forward to this. There you go. Way more aggressive. Kind of a spooky video as well, so interesting. Definitely some OG black metal stuff going on here, but again, a typical Deathheaven vibe, so... Blast beat overdose, right? Actually kind of straightforward as a song. Guitars sound amazing. atmosphere. Well, well. Well, 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 well. Well, well, well. I'm seriously interested because this, at least on a first note, it sounds less atmospheric. It's way more black metal-y. And even though there's obviously some dissonance in the guitar work and everything, that is obviously a Deafheaven thing. I'm a bit surprised though. I mean, I really like the song, but I hope there will be a bit more shoegazy elements in there on the rest of the record. I think I have to get to listen to the song a bit more than just once. Sounds seriously interesting and very dark vibe and very like. It sounds more OG black metal than some OG black metal bands do, which is kind of funny from an artistic point of view. I'm really intrigued now. I really want to. I will give it another listen, probably later today. But yeah, so the new record, "Lonely People with Power," will drop this year. And yeah, I really look forward for it because this sounds it sounds definitely like Deathheaven, but again, something different and something more, a different step again into a different direction. A bit what they did with Infinite Granite, but this is again a total opposite of Infinite Granite. It is also not Sunbather-ish. It is really, again, something else. So we should definitely keep an eye out for Deathheaven because I think this will be an interesting record. So anyway, I keep mumbling to myself with useless facts. So thanks everyone for watching, and subscribe and like, and yeah, next reaction will drop very soon. Cheers.